Samsung's upcoming One UI 8.5 is taking visuals to a completely new level. Introducing what's being called the Glass UI, early leaks show that Samsung is working on a fresh, modern design language that looks elegant, clean, and very futuristic. The new interface aims to match the aesthetics expected from 2026 smartphones, and it's already turning heads with its refined and premium look, according to recent leaks. Samsung has begun internal testing of this new Glass UI design. The first glimpses show that the company has added a glass mask effect to the contacts icon in the latest One UI 8.5 build. This subtle but stylish change gives the icon a reflective, glass-like appearance, adding more depth and realism to the overall visual experience. It's expected that more icons will receive similar treatment in future test builds, giving the entire system a cohesive and modern identity. Samsung isn't stopping there. The company seems to be experimenting with the glass effect across multiple parts of the user interface. The leaked screenshots showcase massive design changes in the quick settings panel, app icons, and even pop-up windows. Each element now carries a sense of transparency and light reflection, creating a smooth and luxurious effect across the device. In One UI 8.5, Samsung appears to be reimagining its app icons completely. The latest internal builds reveal that the icons now have a subtle glass-like overlay, which gives them a softer glow and a more natural light reflection. This results in icons that not only look cleaner, but also feel more intuitive. Even though this design isn't finalized yet, it already adds a high-end aesthetic that's sure to make using Samsung devices feel more premium than ever before. The quick panel, one of the most frequently used parts of the interface, is also getting a major redesign. With the new Glass UI, Samsung is introducing thinner outlines and transparent cards for toggles and controls. The frosted glass effect here looks much more refined compared to earlier versions, offering a balance between style and readability. This design evolution feels similar to Samsung's previous shift from One UI 7 to One UI 8, but this time, it's taken to the next level. Leaked visuals suggest that the quick settings panel may soon resemble the sleek transparency effects seen in Apple's iOS 26, but with Samsung's unique touch. This marks one of the most significant visual leaps we've seen so far in all One UI 8.5 leaks. It adds new layers of depth and reflection that make the interface feel alive and responsive to lighting and motion. The result is a smooth, elegant, and futuristic user experience beyond just icons and quick settings. Samsung seems to be applying this new design philosophy to the expanded menu cards and dialogue windows as well. The consistent transparency and reflection effects throughout the UI suggest that a full interface overhaul is underway. The goal appears to be creating a unified design language that looks modern, minimalistic, and visually dynamic from top to bottom. While the Glass UI design is still in its testing phase, the direction Samsung is taking is quite clear. The company is focusing on merging functionality with visual elegance, something that can elevate the overall user experience. However, one area Samsung still needs to fine-tune is transparency control. If not handled carefully, too much transparency can make text and icons harder to read, especially over bright or dynamic backgrounds. Getting this balance right will be crucial before the final rollout. With the Glass UI now entering testing, users can expect even more UI components such as notification shades, widgets, and pop-ups to adopt the same design language in future builds. This could make One UI 8.5 one of Samsung's most visually appealing updates in years, blending style, clarity, and sophistication. As Samsung continues to polish this new interface, excitement is building around how these changes will look on the Galaxy S26 series, where One UI 8.5 is expected to debut officially. If these leaks are anything to go by, Samsung fans can look forward to a breathtaking visual refresh that feels smooth, premium, and distinctly next-gen. So, what's your take on Samsung's new Glass UI direction? Is this the sleek and modern look everyone's been waiting for, or does it need more refinement before the final release? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more updates on Samsung's next big software evolution. Peace out!